Right. So, lastly, we are going to discuss the maintenance of balance. But before लास्ट वाले पार्ट को रैप अप कर लेते हैं तो हेयर फाइबर्स जो होते हैं कॉक्लिया में दे आर अटैच टू द ऑडिटरी नर्व and the movement of the hair fibers depends on the nature of the movements in the cochlear fluid, right? So sound waves are transformed into electrical impulses in the cochlea और यही electrical impulses brain की तरफ जाते हैं which are converted into sounds which are recognized and understood by us. So how is balance maintained? The structure called the vestibular is responsible for maintaining the balance by registering the body movements and it is present in the inner part of the ear. अब पेरिफेरल वेस्टिबुलर सिस्टम में क्या क्या होता है देर आर थ्री फ्लूइड फिल्ड सेमी सर्कुलर कैनाल्स विच आर ओरिएंटेड इन थ्री डिफरेंट प्लेन्स द एंटीरियर posterior and the lateral phase. ठीक है. So there are two otolithic organs as well called the utricle and the saccule, and then you have the eighth cranial nerve as well. ठीक है ना. So these canals move in accordance with the movements of the body. They are provided with the fluid and thousands of hair fibers जो कि react करते हैं to the movement of the fluid by sending little impulses to the brain. ठीक है. और हमारा ब्रेन इन impulses को decode करता है और eventually allows us ultimately allows us and our body to maintain its balance.